Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Welcome everyone to today's estimating tip. Today we're joined by two great people here, Mike Anderson of Collision Advice and Bruce Halcro, of the chairman of SCRS. We've been talking a lot over the past couple of years regarding the OEM safety inspections that are required. There's a lot of controversies, a lot of, when should we do it? How should we do it? Bruce, you're on the front lines as a repair. Tell us what you're doing.
I think the biggest frustration at the shop level is the fact that the OEs are requiring these safety inspections. A lot of times the bill payer is either ignoring them or not paying attention to them, and making sure that we're doing the proper repair for the customer that's involved is really what's most important at the shop level.
Mike, do you have anything to add to it? Any things that Bruce can be doing when he's discussing these things with the bill payer?
Yeah, great topic, Bruce. So thanks for bringing this to our attention, and thanks for joining us today. So what is Bruce talking about in regards to safety inspections? First of all, most, if not all, OEM manufacturers will have some type of safety inspection required on their vehicles after the vehicle's been in an accident. Now, these safety inspections may include, but are not limited to, items like R&Ing and measuring the steering column. It may require the removal of the dash to inspect the dash carrier or any of the dash mounting locations. Some OEMs will require that you remove the actual airbag sensors and inspect not just the airbag sensor, but also the mounting location. It may also require the inspection of seat belts or the seat tracks or the seat backs. So again, some of these safety inspections require multiple components, even steering racks we see with some vehicle manufacturers. And again, these can be very intrusive. Now listen, I will be the first to tell you that it is probably the single biggest friction point in our industry between shops and third-party repairs. So Bruce, first of all, thank you for being dedicated to safe and proper repairs. But listen, help is on the way. Recently, ICAR held a virtual summit in regards to these safety inspections. And ICAR invited all of the industry stakeholders, third-party payers such as insurers, rental car companies, shops, and even OEMs. And all industry stakeholders were on this virtual webinar in regards to safety inspections. And what ICAR did as a result of this was they set up a very specific email address that any stakeholder, again, a shop, an OEM, or an insurer or third-party payer, if they have any questions or they feel any of these procedures are unnecessary or they have any suggestions on how to make them less invasive, that they can actually submit them to ICAR. ICAR will then catalog these and then work with the appropriate parties to find a win-win solution for all industry stakeholders. Now listen, not doing these safety inspections is not optional, right? I will tell you that I recently had a shop in Illinois that removed the dash on a GM product. And when they removed the dash, they found that the dash carrier, which was made out of SMC, was actually cracked and broken. So listen, not doing this is not an option. So again, shout out to ICAR. If you're watching this, tip brought to you by SCRS, and you run across a safety inspection and you're not sure why it needs to be done, or you're a third-party payer and you think it's not reasonable, submit it to ICAR and let them help us find a solution to this industry issue.
No, great point, Mike. And also, I just want to point out, Bruce has personally, submitted an inquiry to the DEG asking if this is an included or not included operation. And we've gotten responses from all three information providers stating it's a not included operation. Any kind of diagnosing, any kind of research, any kind of inspections required of the safety systems are not included. So I hope that helped you, have that discussion with the bill payer. So again, thank you for joining us in today's tip. Make it a great day. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.